Hello and welcome to Exploring PTS Primo Charts. This is our number 17 lesson. Today we're going to continue to talk about the paper trading module, how to create a portfolio, the order types, limit, market, stop entry, stop loss, how to submit a buy order, how to submit a sell order, the account summary, and the positions summary. So when you go to view, you have an option for the paper trading module here, but also on the first row of icons, this is the same option. If I click on this one, this is going to be my paper trading module. For the purpose of the exercise, we're just going to talk about the order types. We're going to enter the trades without taking into consideration if it is a good time to enter the trade or not, but just the functionality of the paper trading module. The first thing that you have to do is create a new portfolio to play with. So I already have one that is called stock trading, but I'm going to create a new one called trading portfolio, and that is going to have a value of 100K. As soon as I open it, you see that the account summary is showing you the buying power for that portfolio. Okay. After that, you have the trade options, the order types, the expires. So the trade options is where you enter the symbol. So we're gonna work with QQQ. The quantity is the quantity that you want to buy, and that will be according to your buying power. This doesn't have leverage, okay? So it's just one-on-one. Then you have the order types, the market orders, which are executed as soon as you enter them. It's going to buy at the market price, usually at the bid and not the ask. You have the limit orders, which is where you place a price, so you place the price in this window. Then you have the stop entry, and the stop entry is useful when you want to buy when a price is touched. So let's say that you have a signal and then you have a confirmation price, and this is when you use a stop entry to buy at the confirmation price, and you use this window for limit price to enter that. And the stop loss, on the bottom left, you enter the price for the stop loss, which you usually should have after you enter a trade. The expiration could be daily or good until cancel. Good until cancel means that the positions will remain open until they're filled, which is a good idea when you have positions. And then you have the submit buy order or the sell order. So we're going to start with the market order. So we have QQQ, 100 shares. And what we're going to do is submit a buy order for that one. And as you can see, it's executed immediately. As soon as it's executed, you have the positions window at the bottom, which has the information of what just happened. So you enter a trade for QQQ 100 shares on the long side at 314.95, okay? And then it's giving you the last price and the profit or loss that you're making and realize, okay? So with the market orders, you are not going to have open positions because they're executed at the same moment that you enter the order. And then you have the order history. You need to see what's happening during the day. So now we have this market order, and if we want to close it, we're going to use the market to close it as well. Okay, you can use a limit order, but we're going to just sell that order. And if you go to order history, this is what is happening. You bought at 314.95 and you sold at 315.09. And then if you look up, you're gonna have the realized P&L here, and that's how you submitted your orders. In the same way, you can go and submit short orders. So I can just submit a sell market order, and if I go to positions, you see that the size is on the short side and it was filled at 315.08. Okay? In the same way, if I submit a buy order, that's going to close the short, and you can see the results on the order history. It's pretty much close at the same price that was open. Okay? But you see, first we buy and we sold, and then we short sell, and then we buy. And all of those were market orders. With the limit orders, it's going to be a little bit different because you enter the price. So if I have 315.09, if I want to enter a trade, limit order at 314.05, let me see, QQQ 315.11. Now at 315, okay, and I want to submit a buy order. That means that I have to wait until the stock goes down a little bit, because you see this is the last price and my order is at 315. So I have to wait to come to me and get filled, okay? And that's the limit price. So this is the waiting, you know, that you have to do when you're trading like real life, because this can take, you know, like a while before it resolves. And by the way, you can, if you are in doubt, you can just, so the order was filled, so now we have a position at 315. And that gives me the opportunity to put a sell order at 315.05. So that's our sell order for that same position. So we have a pending again. So it was filled. You know, this can happen this fast. So we have a buy order for 315 and we sold it at 315.07. And you can see how the values keep changing on the account summary. We want to make sure that we don't have positions, we don't have open orders, we just have an order history. Okay, so now so we've seen market orders and we've seen limit orders. So let me look at the SPY again, or QQQ again, which is below the 50-day moving average at this moment. And what I want to show you is I want to place an order like at I don't know, what's the price right now? 315. So that's the price that I want to place the order, 315. And I want to try to buy at that price. And then you can use the limit price if it is filled, to place your orders to exit the trade as we did, okay? And then you will use the stop loss once your order is filled, okay? You will use it as it was right now, so I don't want it to go to 14 like 90. Is my stop loss, okay? And that's a sell order. So let's look at what we have. We have a position, long position at 315, and we have an open order for a stop loss at 314.90, and the current price is 314.94. So if it keeps going down, it's going to fill my stop loss. But I also want to make sure that if it goes up at 315.10, so we have like a bracket, Okay, we have like a bracket. So one of them was fill. Okay, this is happening very fast. So the stop loss was taken. Let us go to the order history. The stop loss was taken because it kept going down. So just be mindful that if you have an open order, you have to cancel it, okay? Otherwise it will get filled at some point. And that is how you play between the market and the limit and the stop loss. The stop entry works in a different way. Like if I go here and I want my order to be filled above the 50-day moving average, 315.26, I will go to the paper trading module and add a 315.26 and submit a buy order. Okay. That means that if the price reaches this level, then I'm going to get fill. Okay, and you can use them both when going up or when going down. So those are the order types, and this is pretty much what you're gonna get here. So we have a pending order, which is that stop entry at a very high price compared with what is happening in the market right now. If we leave that order open, it will be canceled at the end of the day because the expiration is day. And if you're gonna leave like we are right now, we just right click and cancel it. Okay, don't leave orders open. And this is pretty much what happened on your portfolio today. Just make sure, okay, we have a position here that is a short position at 314.90, and we can either close it at market or close it at limit. I'm going to close it at market. So that's a short position. I'm going to buy it. So we make sure that we don't have any positions open. Okay, you have open orders, please cancel them, and then you have the order history of what happened today. So this is pretty much it. With the paper trading module, it's a good idea to test before you go trading live with your own broker's platform. And if you have any questions, let us know. Have a nice day, and thank you for